Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about that how to create a button in Python using tkinter. In order to do that, first what we need to do is to import tkinter. In this example I'm gonna import everything from tkinter. Next thing is that we need to create a frame. I'm gonna type frame equal tk and parentheses. Then we need to create a button. I'm gonna type my button equals button. Then, for example, we're going to add text to our button. For example, let's say the text of my button is going to be OK. Then we need to add the button to the frame. I'm gonna type my button dot back. And finally, I'm gonna put the frame into an infinite loop. I will type frame.main loop. And that's it. Now let's run this code. Here we have one little window and this OK button inside it. That's all in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like our video. See you in the next tutorial.